Hi, how you doing? Yeah, I've been waiting for you for a very long time. It was nice to meet you too. We're gonna have so much fun.
Dre. You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close.
What is good, love buds? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm so excited about this video because if y'all really know me, like really know me personally, or just like follow me and know a lot about me, I've been wanting this camera for a very long time, like probably since we started recording ever. Like I've been wanting this camera and I finally got it. Thank God. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this little kit bundle that I got from Amazon. So if y'all want to see it, let's keep watching the video. Make sure you like the video if it was informal to you. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. I'm thinking about doing a video on like tips and tricks that you can use with this camera if you're starting YouTube and stuff like that. Because again, I've been wanting this for a very long time, so I know a lot about it. Subscribe, turn your notifications on so you don't miss a post. Let's get straight into this video. So I haven't opened it yet. Let's do it now. My knife is in the room with free, so we're using scissors today. Who unboxes a video with scissors? Who unboxes a video? Who does an unboxing video with scissors? I don't really know. I'm so excited.
So excited! So excited!
Ooh. It's a box inside of a box. Here's the other box. Let's do this smarter this time. Ooh, it's getting real. It's getting real. I got one side open, y'all. I'm all smiling because I've really been wanting this camera for a very long time. So it got some very dirty looking foam, but it came with a carrying case. Let's take out the package so you guys can really see, because y'all might want to get this bundle. It's literally a little carrying case. And then inside it has space for literally your camera and maybe your charger. And then it has a strap. First of all, this is too little. It can't carry everything in it. But I mean, I guess for like a little starter kit, that's still good. I don't care. Can I get to the camera? This is Professional Series Starter Kit. It has a cleaning cloth, 2 universal screen protectors, a cleaning spray, mini tabletop tripod, and 5 cotton cleaning swabs. So just basically to clean. Okay, next. What is this? It's a brush. It's for dust, I'm assuming. And this is some kind of spray. Not really sure what. I can figure out that another time. Y'all can figure out if y'all want to use this. I'll ask Amazon, what is this? I don't care right now because all I care about is the camera. Next, I got 2 16GB. This is like a vlog. We're gonna need more of these, but it's still good that they gave you something. I got a cord. I don't know where to go to. Probably like a charger. I got a flash drive. And I got a little tripod, tabletop dust thingy thing, like I said. And what is this? Oh, that is so nice. So this is where you put your disc, and then you got a little claw. Okay, that's so nice. Now what we've all been waiting for. Probably just me, but let's get it. Stop. Yes, I finally got my camera, guys. I'm so excited. Alright, so let's open it up. Once I figure out how to do that, I thought it was a little slide, but it's not. So what's this thing? So like the original camera is, well, this is the original camera. It's the same camera, but it's like almost $600. But I got this on Amazon for $109, and then it was like grand total. It was like $140 or something like that. It's a deal, like, and it came in one day because I got Prime, so that's the best part. So it comes with the charger in the box. This is a big ass charger. Look, and here's the piece that you actually put the charger piece in, and then they give you one charger, and this is the strap. They probably won't use, but it's probably always good to use your strap. So I'm about to put this thing on charger now because I'm ready to use this camera and just see what it does, you know. So here it goes, guys. Ooh. Yeah, sexy. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, I've been waiting for you for a very long time. It was nice to meet you too. We're gonna have so much fun together. Yeah. Don't die on me, okay? Alright. I love you. And let me introduce you to the people that you're gonna be. Yeah. Exactly. Right. Alright. So say hi. Alright guys, this is it. Here's the mirrorless part that's like so necessary, and also it has this little feature too. It goes back and also goes front. Ooh, I can't turn it on because it's not charged, so it's not nothing else to show y'all besides it's so sexy. Hi, oh my gosh.
Okay, cool.
I'm so excited, guys. But yeah, that's literally it. That's my unboxing. That's everything that it came in the bundle. I'll make another video and update on this camera and like tips and tricks because yeah, we gotta know. This is just the unboxing. I have more to say about it. Let's just wait until the camera's on, okay? Yeah. Alright, y'all. Yes. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. If y'all do want to see the like tips and tricks on this camera, let me know. Comment down below, please. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't, and also turn your notifications on so you don't miss a post, because we lit over here, or at least we getting lit. No, you know what, we are lit, and the people that just ain't here, y'all not lit because y'all not here yet, but when y'all get here, then it's lit. Alright, y'all. Make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on. And until next time, I'm gonna catch y'all with another video. Now I'm gonna go check out this camera. I'm gonna go get that battery up in this joint. I'm out.
I'm ready, gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. #1, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the streets.